2 oblong holes on the left and right end of the front rail. Place a screw through each oval oblong hole on the left and right side of the front rail. Secure the rail to the shelf with the supplied plastic thumb screw, turning it in a clockwise rotation to tighten. Secure both ends of the rail firmly with the plastic thumb screws. Place the left end wall onto the rail, locking into place by pushing down on the black tab in front of the clear front retainer. Then add each pusher. Adjust each pusher position to fit the product, then lock into place. Products wider than 2.5 inches should use the paddle extender. Products wider than 4.5 inches should use a double pusher lane. Single and double pushers can be combined on one shelf when needed. Before installing a floor insert, remove the last 2 segments to shorten it to 18 inches by simply bending back and forth at the perforation until it snaps off. Use a Profit Pusher 3 floor insert accessory when stocking round products. The floor insert snaps into place anywhere along the front rail, sliding left and right for easy adjustability. Paddle extenders can also be used to accommodate large round products.